So these are the Spectre line of PCs for holiday, and the first thing you'll notice is that the colors are a little bit different from what you might expect from Hewlett-Packard. They are not black or silver. In fact, these are our premium devices, and so they were designed looking at other luxury goods for the cues to the kinds of color palettes you would see. So they have a truffle brown exterior and a champagne interior, so they have a very different and a subtle color that kind of unites the family. This is the Spectre 13X2, and it is the first fanless Haswell-based detachable. And so the screen comes off, and you have a full HD touchscreen that has the power and the volume buttons here. And this is expandable with an SSD, which is located under here. And there is the full HD video cam. Then back here, now it operates in a full clamshell mode. The battery life on the slate component is about 7.5 hours. Combined, it's about 10.5 to 11 hours. That's because there's two batteries in here. There's a battery in the slate, there's also a battery in the base. And the battery in the base is not just to help give more extended life, but it's also to give some weight in the base, which you need in a detachable because the processing power is in the slate. When you touch a touch screen, that's 20 pounds of force in general. And so you need a little bit of weight in the base so that you balance it and can have a good computing experience regardless of which format you're looking at. So that's part of the design that we put to make it work. Also has full Beats audio, and it's just a great device starting at $10.99. And this is the Spectre 13. This is the clamshell device. It is also full HD with an option for a QHD screen. Also has a backlit keyboard. And this machine offers as a first the new Control Zone touchpad that has two distinctive wings that are both visually and tactilely differentiated from the rest of the trackpad. These wings correspond to the gestures that you might use in Windows 8 and provide that same gesture functionality down in distinct areas of the trackpad. This gives you the option of computing here without having to touch the screen. Some people don't like fingerprints on the screen. Some people don't want to have to keep reaching. So you can perform all of those same gestures in these dedicated areas on the trackpad, making Windows 8 more intuitive and easier to navigate. And this is available starting at $9.99 for holiday.